Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to share your profile link on Instagram. Whether you want to promote your account to friends or connect with new followers, sharing your profile link is a great way to do it. Let's get started with these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to navigate. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you directly to your profile page. Step 3. On your profile page, look for the option that says Share Profile. Tapping this will open up the sharing menu. Step 4. Next, tap on the Share Profile icon. This will allow you to access different sharing options. Step 5. Now you can share the profile link using Messenger or any other apps you prefer. Just choose your app, paste the link into your message, and send it off. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your profile link on Instagram. This quick process not only helps you connect with others, but also makes it easy for them to follow your updates. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.